Support for summer research students is very important for our program. A value proposition for Kalamazoo College is that you get experiential education and you get close work with individual faculty members. And summer research is a place where both of these come together. This is a time for them to really find out what research is all about.
I was kind of nervous coming into this, but the faculty is so welcoming, very, very supportive, and I've learned so much from everyone here, even my peers. I feel very comfortable here. I feel like I'm supposed to be here.
Working with faculty in the summer is really cool, just because you get to form real-life relationships with these people. You get to know them really well and just really bond in a different way.
It's really rewarding to watch students as they come in and they don't know what this is all about and how to do it, and they slowly develop as scientists.
My summer research is going to be forming a biological evaluation of various controls and hybrid compounds to determine whether or not they have some sort of antibacterial activity.
We are looking at the photodissociation of cobalt tricarbonyl nitrosyl. We are firing high-powered lasers at gaseous particles of this molecule. And then after this, we are looking at radical hydroxyls, which are important in atmospheric chemistry. So that's a whole different experiment.
Tom Smith's legacy here in our department, I see it every day. And when I think back, students were so central to his work. It's just a great legacy that people are willing to donate to continue the work that he was doing here. We really want to thank you for supporting our program. We all find summer research to be the hardest teaching that we do, but the most valuable teaching we do.
I want to thank the donors to the Smith Fund for their generosity, which allows students like me to participate in summer research and gain valuable experience in their field of study.
I just want to thank the donors for giving me this amazing opportunity and for supporting my research. I appreciate the donors so much. I'm just excited to see what I learned by the end of the summer.